Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Ben Trading Cards and welcome to Ben Talks. I guess we can name it at Ben Talks Show. It will be cool, right? But I just want to name it at Ben Talks now because this is a freestyle of me talking here in front of you guys. It's just like, kitchen table. Actually, this is a kitchen table here. So I put it in my YouTube room. So I'm quite relaxed and I just like eating my dinner, and with you watching me talking about something. Okay, so let's talk about why I invested in Flesh and Blood, Genesis, and MetaZoo. So that's what you can see in my channel for now, because I've been doing some of those. For at first, I did some Flesh and Blood, then I went into Genesis, and now I'm expanding to MetaZoo. For those who had watched my first video, I was talking about Magic the Gathering and also some Pokemons. Yeah, but I found that Magic is too much into so many products, and I can't cope up with it. And there's Rudy is talking about it. Then Pokemon as well is so popular that there's a lot of YouTubers that are more versed than me. They know more than me, and I can't cope up with them, guys. I have a lot of things to research more before I talk about that. Then came Flesh and Blood. So when I decided to invest in my money to the booster boxes of Flesh and Blood, I did some research, guys. So this is maybe it can help you on how to check if the TCG is good or not. But I'm not 100% guaranteed. It's not 100% guaranteed that you will succeed. Okay, because there's so many factors that can be considered when you choose a TCG, and especially those who are just started, and it's so difficult. You know, there are some things that I'm looking at, and it's like buying some stocks in the market, and some choosing my portfolio and my mutual funds. So it's just like that, but it's not 100%. And by the way, guys, don't take my word on this. Just listen to what I tell you. Just listen. You don't have to agree with me. Yeah, you can disagree. Comment down below if what you think about this video, because I will be talking more on like investments. I will be telling you more about investments, but I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so seek your experts in finance. Seek other people that knows more about finance. Yeah, just this an entertainment channel. So let's talk about that, because at first I saw the Flesh and Blood in Rudy's channel, and I was looking at the art. So first of all, I'm attracted to art. Okay, so I looked at the art of the Flesh and Blood, and I saw that I've seen Ira deck that he was showing. Then I was looking at it. It said, "Yeah, it's nice," and he said that it's made by Cartamundi, which is I think the number one publisher of cards here in the world. Probably, I'm not sure on. Maybe there's some, but that's what I know. It's all over the world. Then Cartamundi is printing that, and I know Cartamundi has a really good quality because it's great. It has made with Magic the Gathering and Pokemon, so no questions asked for that. You don't need to ask the quality and what's in Cartamundi, but once you say Cartamundi, it's good, right? So that's what I think on that time. So I was looking at it and tried to not. I did not buy the one that I told you guys that I was looking at the to buy the first edition WTR, which is $89 that time. And I was looking at it, and I'm still hesitant, guys, because it's a new company, it's a new TCG, and I thought that I would rather buy Magic the Gathering. So I was at the checkout, guys. I have to click on the pay button, payment something. There's like you have to just one click and then you're done. So I said, wait a minute, it's $89 and I don't know if this game is good. So I checked the after that, I did not buy, I did not proceed with the checkout. I went to the Magic the Gathering booster box. I forgot what expansion set was that, but I went to buy the 139, yeah, in Magic the Gathering. So I said, okay, let me check this TCG first. I want to check first is the creator. So I went to LinkedIn, I researched more about James White, and I've seen the team they have. At that time, probably five people or 10 people. I'm not sure, but they're just a small company. Yeah, they have photos in the LinkedIn, and James White had his bio, how do you call it, resume, yeah, resume on his profile and his face there. And he was, I checked the way he interact with LinkedIn. So I said, yeah, this guy is legit, and I researched more about that. And uh, I researched more on the company, guys. So I went to the New Zealand news. I checked Flesh and Blood, and I checked the address. And I went to Google Earth. I went located their office, and it was in the New Zealand somewhere. And I checked that out, and I went to the street view. Okay, I went to the street view, and I said, they're a small company, but if I, that was a year ago, guys. So when Flesh and Blood was not that famous, yeah. So I checked that out. Then I've seen there's a building. Yeah, they have they rented something there, a building or uh, an office. So, but there's no such like a sign of Legend Story Studios, but I can see it. And then I went to the business website in New Zealand. Then I found out that he has a partner, so they are two. Then they have a net asset there, I guess. That was what, 9 million, or I'm not sure. That was a few months ago, guys. I forgot. It's about 9 million or 900,000 on assets. Yeah, or 1.9. So there's something 9 in there, but it's significant enough that they can print. What I was thinking about that because I know that they can create a game because of that money, and they said they are debt free, so they did not borrow something from other people, unlike some of the Kickstarters. So the Kickstarters are borrowing money from other people, so they pool the money, and that's what they do for printing. So I checked that out. I said, okay, that's very nice. Then I checked the second one is I was attracted to the art, so I checked the artist, if they have a team of artists, and I found out, yeah, they have many. Then they have many artists, not just one artist, or maybe the owner was drawing it. So I checked that out. They have many artists. Then I checked the community, and I found out there's a Fab Flesh and Blood fan page. And I went in, I joined, and it was about 3,000 or 2,000 to 3,000 around there members. And I said, well, okay, this is significant amount of community. And if ever this fails, 2,000, or maybe let's say 50% of that, 1,000 people will still buy my product. So that's what I was thinking that time. And speaking about money, yeah, they have money. They did not borrow anything from other people, so they have money, and they can they have the capital to start printing more. Okay, and I went to their website, and I found it's so cool. Their website is really cool, and they have a plan which is until to the kingdom. It was kingdom that time, guys, not Tales of Aria. So they have like it was, I was there in the Arcane Rising. Then Crucible of War is not yet around. So they have Crucible of War, then Monarch, and then Kingdoms. So I went to their website. I saw that they have a plan. So until Kingdoms. Then I said, okay, I need this is my green light. So I bought a Crucible of War. Okay, Crucible of War is going up that time. The price is 500 Canadian dollars already. Then I bought some Welcome to Wraith and then Arcane Rising Unlimiteds because I cannot the price was already skyrocketing, and yeah, I can't afford those anymore. I started looking at the box of WTR that was already $1,000, and it's for me it's really expensive. um, then it went to 1,002, a 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, and I said, oh man, I can't afford that. So I went to Arcane Rising, and Arcane Rising is 800, you know, it's going up. And then Crucible of War was 150 that time, guys. 150, and I was too late when it went to a 500 when I started buying the Crucible of War, because I think I started on the Arcane Rising first before the Crucible of War, Arcane Rising and WTR. So that's what happened. You really don't know when the game will go to or succeed. Okay, I can say that it's successful, guys, because you know they started from scratch, and then what's happening right now, they already succeed. But the question is if they can maintain that, right? So that's the only question. So next one is Genesis. So I found Genesis. I was looking at the YouTube channel. I found DM Armada, Red Zone Rogue, some YouTubers. I saw Genesis BOC. They are making like videos, and it was just popping up on my YouTube channel or YouTube wall. How you call it? Yeah, like the wall. Then I click on some of them, and I saw the cards, and I said, oh man, oh my goodness, this is good. And it looks like they're into the art. In I always look at the art, right? So I think they are into MTG and Flesh and Blood. So I said, okay, let me check that out. And then I emailed Genesis Battle of Champions. I said I can support your TCG, and then they replied. We arranged with the creator, and that's the time I knew. I get to know Assad, which is really cool. He is a really cool guy. He is down to earth. So given that I have how much, 200 subscribers, I guess I was 200 that time. Yeah, 200 and 200 plus. Then he yeah, he agreed to have an interview. I have an interview with him, so I get to know with him. I went to his LinkedIn, and I can see the LinkedIn of his, they have in the website. I went to the website. I can see his story that he was in Cambridge. I always going to Cambridge. I always looking at that school. That's the one that he said is where he get the haunted gaming, haunted castle gaming, because the school, I always pass by that school, haunted castle. It looks like a castle haunted, right? um yeah, so I was connected with him, and then we talked in we have a conversation in email, and they sent me some package and get to know more about the card. And then I went into the gameplay, checked how it will be played. So I get to know Assad, the team. I saw the artists, and the art is good. And I saw a team of artists. There's a lot, you know. So I said, okay, this is a good TCG. It's almost legit, because I was in the first. I wanted to know more about the creator, and then the game itself, or the art itself, and the team of artists, if they can, you know, if they can do it in long term art, you know, art planning, something like that. So a good team is that means it will have a long term for the game. So then I went to the community, it's a little bit I found it a very small community compared to Flesh and Blood. Okay, but I found that this game is is. Oh, but I forget, by the way, guys. I forget the gameplay of Flesh and Blood. Yes, I'm always looking at the gameplay, but I'm not. I can say that I'm 20% player, so it's not for me like going to the tournament, be a champion. I'm not like that, guys. So I'm just want to to get to know more about the gameplay. I just want to do that and enjoy something. And when I play with my friends, it's okay if I lose. If okay, it's okay if I win. So it's just to enjoy it. But when I see the game on Flesh and Blood, it was good. Okay, really good, and it's unique, and the IP is so strong. Then Genesis is I saw the gameplay, and it's a very unique gameplay. Okay, I can tell you that. You can see my I watch my videos, guys, and it's a unique kind of gameplay. So I was yes, I was it was a check for me. So I checked the creator art and the gameplay, and I checked the community. Community is a bit small, yeah, compared to other TCGs like Magic the Gathering, Flesh and Blood. And I said, okay, the reason behind that a small community, it's probably because of their marketing strategy. Maybe they don't have PR, um, public relations last time, and now they are strongly going into the marketing side, and they're getting strong and stronger. And then they have a Discord channel, which they're already um, gaining more and more members. So at that time when I joined, this was a very small community, guys, and I think Assad's channel was, I guess it's less than 100 subscribers. So I said, okay, this is small community, and they have a Discord, and they keep on growing, and they have like every Monday they have like a game developer day, like they talk about games, how to do, how they talk about the cards, and what will be the cards in future and design. They talk about that, and I really enjoy that. And I know that's when I understand more about the company. I understand more on Assad and Alex, so the game developer. And then um, I started to check their they check after that the community, and then I know that they have money because they have already sold beta, welcome to Julara raise. So it doesn't it takes a little bit amount of money, and with if they can just do a Kickstarter, well, I said if they can do a Kickstarter at this time, many people will be investing on it because the game is really good. So I will be giving more marketing on this. Like for me, just they don't pay me, guys. I just want their products to be marketed on the internet. So I covered it in my YouTube channel. So I said, okay, this company is really just this is what I thought of that. The marketing is a little bit weak, not that bad, but they have lack of marketing, like more exposure to the community. And then I said, okay, I can do this. I can help them by doing some of the marketing, the exposure to my YouTube channel. Even though I have 300 subscribers, if there are 10% watching me in every video of Genesis, that will be cool because that will be adding more people to the community. And I said, okay, I believe in this game. I believe in the creator. I know there are artists that is working with them. Then they have money is not that so critical on this at this time, because I know they can grab some investors. But yeah, so I said, okay, I'm gonna buy products from them. So I bought a beta. Welcome to Gelara 2. I actually bought everything what's in the store on that time when I was in Oshawa. Yeah, Oshawa. I have a video that, guys, you can go to my previous videos. You can go click on the playlist, like just click on Genesis on the playlist, so it will have like from the start, and you can review. And then I showed when I bought the beta. Okay, I have one beta, and there are many products I will show you in the, it's still coming, so it's just a surprise for you. So I have I decided I have decided to invest a little bit of my money into the game. By the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I suggest that you don't invest everything in a certain product, okay, or a certain investment, or a certain stock, or something, okay, or a company, because you have to get for me, my 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 guide is 20% of my income will go to the investments, okay, 80% will go to our, to whatever we have in our house expenses and everything, my kids, and 20% is just for something that I can, can diversify more. In the 20%, I cut it in 5 5 5 5, and 5% will be going to this portfolio, and like that. So at least if something will be will the market is not good for that certain product, so 5% of your income will be gone, and you don't have, it's just an itch, right? 5% of your income is not that bad, okay? So at least you can control the flow of your money. So that's what I'm trying to do there, here in Flesh and Blood Genesis. So I bought some of the boxes, then yeah, so I decided I will go Flesh and Blood 100%, 100%, because I will go 100% to Flesh and Blood, and Genesis 100%, and Metazu, by the way, it's 30%, guys. So 100% for until to Metazu. I will talk about Metazu in a while. So it's 100% for all that I will be investing in this ones, and I will give my reason for the three. Okay, so and then Genesis, I bought many products, and then they gave me more, and which is, I'm really thankful for, grateful for Assad giving me so much in my channel, and he always mentioned my name in his channel, in Genesis BOC, which Flesh and Blood had already recognized me as well, which is really good. All right, and then so that's what I did with the two. Then the next one is Medizu. Okay, first I told you guys I'm attracted to Medizu, but honestly, I was not attracted to Medizu's artwork, because it's because probably of my age. If I'm maybe in my teens, or maybe in elementary years, I will be attracted to the drawing, because it's about it's like for a different demographic, is that, yeah, a different age demographic. I think it's demographic, but it's age for a simple word. So it depends on the age, probably, but I can see that it's like the Pokemon long time ago, 20 years ago. So the art, I was not yet attracted to that. Now I was looking at the first, I checked the creator, and went to the LinkedIn. I saw Mike Waddell's LinkedIn, all his resume there, whatever he's done, and he was looking for more more workers, so it's expanding. So that is a plus sign for me, guys. It's plus one, because if you're looking for more, you know, employees, then you're expanding your company. Then I missed the Kickstarter. I don't know. I really don't know about the Kickstarter. Someone, Fab Gallery, he's I'm watching his channel, and I saw that he's unpacking some of the Meidazu product, and I said, okay, he's into it. That's what what's my first view on Meidazu, because of his channel. Then Rudy, I've seen Rudy, Rudy mentioned Meidazu. Yeah, so I did not invest on Meidazu boxes that time, because I said, I can't really, the art is not good. But I wasn't it was not in my radar, guys. Then after that, I'm beginning to have a lot of Meidazu people, YouTubers, creating a lot of videos. Then I decided, okay, let me check with what is this Mike Waddell? Who is this person? What is his background? And I checked his background. He's in the banking, he's in the finance, something like that, in the financial side industry. Then I checked his team. He has team, and I checked the art. I thought that the art was created by someone not professional, or because it's just, watercolor, a very simple one. Now I I know that that's when I knew that it was created by professional artists, and it's just their style on creating that kind of art. Okay, and I said, okay, now I understand why they put like that. They want nostalgia, and Pokemon, they want to grab this nostalgia, how do I call it, the the minds of those people investing in the Pokemon. So they want that kind of art, so that you will say, oh, this is the drawing that I was used to when I was young, and I have money, I can buy some of these ones. So yeah, so I've seen the art. I've seen they have a team of artists, and they have game testers, okay, or play testers. Yeah, so they have a team of play testers. Then when I found out that the community, they have a Discord channel, and for a long time I entered the Discord. I didn't know that you have to verify your phone number so that you can see all the announcements there and everything. It's just stay there as Meidazu, nothing. That's Discord, guys. Just for your information, and for your education, um, for your knowledge, by the way, not education. For to give a tip for you. When you go to Discord, you have some of the Discord channels need you to verify your phone number or whatever, so that you can get in. It's like when you're going to the door, there are two doors. One door, you're in, okay, but you can't see everyone there, beyond this door. So you have to do something first before you can go in, and you can see everything. Okay, so that's what I did. I was in the second door, first door, all the time for months, or like many 3 months, something like that. And I didn't know. And when I started to get into my interest into Medizu, I started to check more on the Discord until I found out that that's the one. And I saw that this company is just less than a year, and the Discord, guys, it's 4,000 people. It was 3,000. It's going to 4,000, and now they are, I think, 4,300 at this moment. Okay, and I saw a lot of people coming in, and the rate of members coming in to Meidazu is 10, more than 10. I guess it's more than 20, but for conservative number, it's just 10, more than 10. So I said, this is a different game. It's a TCG. This is really different, and the people there, I can see negativity, and it's normal, guys. Once you're getting popular, like if you have more and more subscribers or followers, you get some haters. Okay, haters is normal because if it comes back to history, like we have tribes last time, right? We have tribes, and each tribe will of course protect his own tribe. And if a new tribe is here with two persons there, like a family, like two families, it's a small tribe, then they won't bother you, you know. Once they grow, guys, once they grow to a bigger tribe, then this one will be going to hate you, because it's like, you know, this is a threat for us. They might be attacking us, you know. So that's what my analogy of I compare that to tribal, yeah, because it's a community. I compare that to a tribal dispute, something, or hatred. I don't know, but that's what I think about community. So it's normal for me having a community. I have some blogs that doing. I was doing blogs, guys. You can go to benalagnam.com. It's a plug, or if it's not, if you can go into benalagnam.com, you can just go to benalagnam.blogspot.com. Okay, then that is my story going to Canada. So anyway, you can see my community there. It's a bit, I can say 3,000 community people there, but I stopped for a while. So I know that community is, once you grow, you gain haters and bashers, negative. So I see Metazu 4,000 people, and I don't know if there's another community for Metazu. I haven't joined some, but I went to the official Metazu, and they have 4,000, man. It's 4,300, and I said, okay, I love this game. um, the art, I began to like it because of, I know the persons behind it. There are professional artists, and they were hard to do that kind of genre. Okay, that kind of art. So I went to the community, and I know that they have a lot of money because of the Kickstarter. Kickstarter is 18,000, but they added more. Mike Waddell added more to that with of his own personal savings, and then the second wave, which is the first edition, I know that they have money, 25,000 boxes. You know, I know that they have money to print more, and then now, Nightfall, Nightfall. The product is not yet here. It's will be released on October 20, and it's now 300 to 400 boxes. Okay, now I know I know that they have money, so th- there's no question of the money in Meidazu. They have money to start to print more on their expansion set. So I said, okay, I'm gonna buy a box. So many, guys. I haven't showed you the opening. I haven't opened it yet. It's from infinitycards.ca. So by the way, you can go to my infinitycards.ca. You can buy products from Pokemon, Metazoo, Flesh and Blood. Then you can have 5% discount if you use my BENTC5, BENTC5. That is my affiliate code. Okay, you can help me, I can help you 5%. Okay, that's a quick advertisement. Okay, so I bought some of the products of Meidazu. I haven't showed you yet. I have shown you some of the Meidazu products. It's just a part, very small part, and I have bought a lot now. So I decided to invest more in Meidazu, and I will be investing in Nightfall if ever the LGS will give me an allocation. If not, sorry, I can't buy from the secondary market with a 400 300 to 400 bucks, you know, the price of Nightfall. And there are some theme decks, and man, there's a lot to do that. And then, okay, guys, so that's what I decided to have Meidazu in my channel. So I have Flesh and Blood, Magic the Gathering. I have some, but I'm not into maybe 1% of Magic the Gathering. I haven't done any videos of Magic the Gathering. I know someone is good on that, right? Rudy, Tolarian Academy, they are good that. And then Pokemon I haven't done yet. So I have Flesh and Blood, Genesis, and Made a Zoo. And what I like also in Genesis is they have a 2-year plan. They have a 2-year plan. When I was researching more about them, they have like a 2-year plan until what Assad said to me. Actually, it's 5 years, but I can see the website is they have expansion set until 2023, 22, 23, around there. And then Meidazu just tweeted a while ago that they showed the next block of new expansion set. Okay, so they have like I forgot the name of that. I'm gonna give you some of the names in the next videos, but they have for 2024 and 2027. Okay, so they already planned on that. Okay, yeah, and I guess they are going what I found out, guys, is in the cryptid nation, the sign, which is like an eagle and it's yellow. It looks like that cryptid nation is really for the USA cryptids because of the eagle, because USA is, you know, the symbol is eagle, right? Then the next one is, I really forgot, it's an island. I forgot the name. Koi, I forget the name, man. Sorry about that, guys, but there's something island. Okay, and the symbol is like a lamp for Chinese, so they're going for that. The block will be the scripted for Chinese. That's what I think. Don't quote me about on this. This is just my opinion, because it's just for because of the art. There's like a lamp from Chinese lamp. You can see it, guys. I will make another video, but this that's what I think, that they're going for the cryptids in China. Okay, and the third block is, it's a wizard. So I guess they're going for wizard. Well, Merlin is in Europe, right? So they're going in Europe. So that's what I think about Native Zoo. So that's what I like on having this kind of TCGs. They have a long-term strategy, and they have already planned. They have a vision, and yeah, so that's good. And now I want to give you some warning, because there are a lot of Kickstarters coming out. Okay, so the first thing, just my what I'm doing, guys. The first thing I check is the creator. Who is the creator? What is his background? And if I can find it in LinkedIn, it's very good. That means he is transparent enough to show his face, to show his credentials. So I'm good with that. Now I went for, if I go to the art, if, well, it depends on, art is objective, right? And if you find out, if you find that it's good for you, if you find it very nice, and even though the company will be bankrupt or something, at least you still enjoy your collection, right? So if they have a good art, then it's 100% yes, right? And a group of artists, that's very important. If he has a group of artists, not just one guy, um, you know, drawing something, and if the guy will be pissed off with company, well, we can't do that. They can't do anything about it. They have to hire another guy. And anyway, so see that the artists are intact, and then you go to the community. If they have community, okay, then the gameplay, okay, if the game is good, or if maybe it's just the same as Magic the Gathering or whatever, Pokemon, Flesh and Blood. So you have to check that it should be unique. Okay, now that's what I'm checking. Then what else? On the money matters. They go to Kickstarters because they wanted to have money. So that means they're not enough money. But if you see the first criteria that I am checking, then I'm good. If I see that they have the creator's good, art, team, then community, the gameplay is good, then money will follow, right? So, and also if the creator is really focused on the TCG itself, not going to other games. So if they are focused on that, then yeah, I'm also focused on their products as well. So that's what I'm doing. So James White, Assad, then Mike Waddell, they are focused on their products. And some of the TCGs, they are working 9 to 5. They have other businesses. They have other. You can't wear so many hats, guys. You can't wear so many hats. So um, you have to focus on one thing. So if the creator is focusing on one thing, well, that will be a good way for me to check on that kind of TCG that I will support. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. I guess I said everything here, and if I miss something or if you don't agree, guys, please comment down below. I really love to have like a a talk, a discussion, so that I will learn more. Also, maybe I can't see, I haven't seen the corners that you can see. Maybe you are at a different perspective, you have different view on something. Let me know. Okay, so if you have also a TCG that if you want to share here, because I wanted to create like a video, probably a week, every week, like introducing different TCGs, and maybe we can, it's just showing new games for everybody, like TCGs. I'm focusing on TCGs, guys. I'm not into other games, but for the card, physical card, not TTS. Okay, TTS is, what was that, tabletop simulator. I'm not into that kind of game unless I'm a playtester. Okay, but I'm into the physical game. I want to touch the card, guys. I'm very happy to touch some of the cards. Okay, and by the way, guys, Patrons, I already prepared the mailers for you. This will be going to your doorstep, and also for the winners, and yeah, so winners of the raffle draw, those cards will be in your doorstep maybe few weeks from now, because I'm using Canada Post. So yeah, okay. So guys, I guess I already explained everything for you. So that's what I did with all the three TCGs. All right. So thank you very much, guys, and I hope you learned something from me today. And see you on the next video. Bye.